welcome back to Spectrum News 1, everybody. On this Thursday afternoon, I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr with another check of that forecast. We'll start things off with a little science lesson today. You know, the Earth's orbit around the sun is elliptical, and today is that point where we're at our farthest point away from the sun. We call it aphelion. We're about 94 million miles away from the center of the sun, as opposed to the winter time when we reach our closest point to the sun. It's called perihelion. It happens shortly after we flip the calendar, but it's not warmer because we're closer to the sun, because the northern hemisphere that time is tilted away from it, so those rays aren't as direct. So that is why it is not warmer when we're closer toward the sun. So just one of those fun little facts you can impress your family and friends with. And we're going to start to see less and less of the sun next several weeks as our sunset times are slowly slipping down. We're losing a couple of seconds off of each day, but that really adds up. When you look at today's sunset, 8:09, to about a little over a month from now, we lose about 30 minutes or so of daylight. Now that we're past the summer solstice, each day gets a little bit shorter. Our slow descent toward fall and winter is well underway, and it certainly will not feel like fall today. Still feeling like summer out there. Upper 80s and lower 90s with some puffy cumulus clouds. I will say there is a very slight chance one or two of you see a very brief shower this afternoon into early this evening. Majority of us will be dry, nothing to worry about. Quiet tonight, and we're quiet through the morning hours on our 4th of July with just a little bit of high cloudiness, not much to worry about as well. So upper 80s, lower 90s, no issues for any outdoor activities this afternoon. Maybe you're having family and friends over to take a dip in your pool. Should be in great shape, not just today, but for the holiday and the weekend as well. Low temperatures tonight are back into the upper 60s and lower 70s. Fairly normal for this time of the year. As you see your neighborhood here, just about everybody between about 68 and 70 degrees. You take a look at the extended forecast, it's really not that bad. Humidity levels, I will say, will come back up for the weekend, so it will really start to feel oppressive. Heat index values back up or slightly surpassing 100 degrees both Saturday and Sunday. That increase in atmospheric moisture will also lead to an increase in rain chances as we get into early next week, with temperatures once again staying pretty close to the average of 89 degrees.